Hi everyone, I'm really excited to share with you a short but very, very lovely unboxing. I just received some of these washi tapes from Altenew. I wanted to get my hands on these for a long time and finally it happened. These were kindly sent to me by Altenew and I will link you to them. And I want to show you how they look. I mean, look at this gigantic one. So I'm going to unwrap them, save you that bit, and we can take a closer look. Okay, so I opened everything and I just want to give you a few tips about choosing which washi tapes to get. And, you know, because we all want it all, right? Or at least I do. So I would say if you want to get like a bunch at one time and you want them to be able to really work with each other, try to get a good variety. And what I mean by that, I mean, I obviously have a thing with like florals, so I have 3 floral ones and then 3 kind of basic ones and a leafy one. But there's still some logic to the madness. So with the florals, there are a few other options on the Altenew website. And for example, this one was one of the tapes that immediately drew me to it. And there are a couple of other floral washies, but I decided to, you know, pick this one. It was my favorite from this kind of style, and then I opted for other ones for more variety. So the other 2 florals that I got, one is this beautiful blue monochrome washi, and then this one is a black and white, and it also has like an outline to it. So try to, you know, pick ones that are really different. This is so pretty. So with the large ones also you have to be a little bit careful, but you can obviously cover a lot of space very quickly and you get so much. So it's like, you know, buying a pack of pattern paper, but it's really thin and just beautiful, and you can fussy cut it. So I just want to show you. So this was like one of the patterns that was kind of a no-brainer for me, and then I had something similar in my cart and I decided to opt for other things so I could get the variety. So you want to get different like color schemes. So let's say you really want florals, different color schemes. These are the same size. Also, variety of sizes is always a good idea. This ginormous one is 20 centimeters and it's just so beautiful, and it really gives you, I feel, I have fallen in love with washi tape. I mean, I always loved it, but recently I've really enjoyed using it. So I'm just going to use, I have here a little bit of scrap paper so you can see the pattern better, and I know I'm doing a horrible job. Don't do as I do. You will adhere yours nicely, but these are actually kind of easy to use if you just pay a little bit more attention, and you can smooth these out, and I actually don't mind some wrinkles. But of course, the larger the tape, the you know, the more careful you have to be. So this is the black and white one. How beautiful is this? Oh, it's just so gorgeous. Okay, so different color schemes, different widths, and then different patterns. And what you want to also include is to have a couple of basics. So black and white washi is always a good choice, and for me, I love dots, so that was a no-brainer to pick this one. And I love how huge it is. I feel this is like something you can use on everything, and so you can smooth out some of these wrinkles if you're not careful. like me. Or if you're doing a video and everything, of course, is the most messed up when the camera is on. So a good black and white, that's why I also wanted the black and white floral, because it really goes with everything. It goes with every color scheme that you have, every other colorful washies that you have. So black and white is always a good pick. And then this is a great accent. This is more like a coppery gold. I think there's another one, like more yellow gold, but this is just so beautiful. And it's really a great accent. You could add it, you know, frame photos, or just use it with the florals. I think it's just so beautiful. Lovely. So you could also like create these lines between patterns if you're doing a page or a design that has a few rows of washi. If you like florals, then I think something kind of leafy, more basic with green is also a good addition to have. It gives you kind of that repeating element of, you know, floral thing, but it's still a bit more basic. So these could work well together. And this is a really nice one. And then this one I just had to get, which I'm sure will come as no surprise to you. If you like colorful stuff, then something basic, by basic I mean the pattern, which is kind of these watercolor stripes, but rainbow colors, is a great choice. So Altenew has a couple more designs with a similar feel to it, and there's a really nice one that is white with kind of rainbow like thin stripes, but this was the one that kind of immediately grabbed me, and I just love it. And I don't know if you're like me, this is like the type of thing, if I have like a pattern paper like this, I hoard it, I want it, I can use it all the time, and it's like a really great border. You know, you could wrap the pages of your planner or journals, like wrap them on the side, and then you have like just a little bit of that showing. So this is just the type of pattern that I fall in love with, and having it in washi means that I can use a lot of it. It doesn't have, I don't need, you know, adhesive. It doesn't have the bulk that paper has, which if like me, you're really into things like traveler's notebook and such, I mean, washi is a great, this is just a sneak peek, for example. So just like using a lot of washi in these is so user-friendly, you know, it's such a user-friendly supply, and you get so much, you can totally just use it and not hoard it. So the last one that I didn't show you is this beautiful, beautiful blue one. How beautiful is this? I don't have now a piece of paper, but just look at it. I mean, this is for me, it's the kind of thing I want on multiple papers. So having one in washi form is perfect, and I really love using these. They're just so much fun. So you can really rip into them and make like collages. Because they are sticky and because they are so thin, it's just so easy, as I said. I just love it. I've been really into layering and like using a lot of washi. It's just perfect for it. So that's it. I'll link you to the Altenew website where you can take a look at these beautiful ones. It's not the cheapest of supply. I mean, obviously the smaller ones are cheaper than the bigger ones, but you get so much product, and I really think if you enjoy using washi, I highly recommend taking a look at these. And if you only have to pick two, I'd say go for these. They're just so unique. I mean, they're all unique, but these two, I mean, these watercolor florals, look at the colors. It's just so beautiful, so beautiful. So give you a closer look. Just love it. And of course you could fussy cut this once you adhere it. I mean, you could fussy cut it also when it's not adhered to anything, but that's a little bit more challenging. And then you have so many possibilities for embellishing. It's another reason that I went with this floral, because I think these would be beautiful as embellishments. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in another one soon. Bye.